All right, guys, so I'm pretty excited today. We got Nick back. Nick had his ARTAS robotic FUE procedure about 4 months ago now. So back for a follow-up. We love the ARTAS robotic FUE for its accuracy and reproducibility. So here was his hairline the day of the procedure. You may have seen this in the videos. So we marked it out pre-transplant. So let's go in and take a look and see how he's doing. Come on in. Nick, hey man,
Darren.
How you doing?
Real good.
He's a working man, guys. So we got him back in. This is, man, I haven't seen you for a while. This is looking great.
Yeah.
Hairline's looking really good. And of course the beard looks pretty good too.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Winter coat.
Yeah, winter coat.
That's
4
right.
months, guys. So normally at this stage, about 40–50% growth, maybe even a little bit ahead of that. But you know, when you look at these pictures from the day of the procedure with the hairline drawn in and marked out, you really kind of forget how you used to look. It sort of sneaks up on you, doesn't it?
It's very easy to do so. I'm looking at it every day.
Yeah, it's awesome. Nick's gonna, keep doing some basic things to keep his hair that wasn't transplanted. The transplant hair is permanent, but at 4 months, this is gonna keep thickening up, reinforcing, getting thicker and stronger, and before you know it, hairline will match the beard, man. Show us the back area, Nick. Look at this, guy. So we took about 5,000 hairs from Nick's donor, and you can see just, I mean, literally undetectable. This is the importance of the accuracy of the robot. So doing this procedure manually or without the reproducibility and the algorithms that the ARTAS robot brings, it's just about impossible to leave a donor area looking like that. Nick, this is back at the scene of the crime, so to speak. Guys, this is the ARTAS robotic FUE machine, most advanced medical robot hair transplantation device in the world. Nick, what do you remember of the day of the procedure? I know you were watching part of the video before that you hadn't seen. So this was the room. Can you talk us through kind of what you remember?
Well, that sandwich, first off, I do like my food. But no, I remember everyone being real helpful, very informative throughout the procedure. It felt more like a spa than anything.
Yeah.
It didn't feel like I was going into like surgery or anything crazy.
It's kind of a long day. It was like about 8-hour day. We did the harvesting. So the harvesting took about 3 to 4 hours. The robot harvests the follicles from the back of the scalp. There is a mechanism where the robot can actually place the follicles for us and make the little sites to place the grafts. Because we're so experienced in that part of it, we have our experienced physicians make the sites and we place all our own grafts. But the robot is really a multi-dimensional machine in that regard, but we use it just for the harvesting just because of its accuracy. And the back of the donor area, guys, as you saw with Nick, is a great example of how we can be so accurate. We're going to check back with Nick here in about another 6 months or so, and she's going to keep growing, man. It's looking awesome. So appreciate you, bud. Thank you. Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.